This 40,000-pound family SUV just broke the golden rule. It's a Renault, and it doesn't drive like one. Most mid-size SUVs in this bracket feel like a compromise. Soft, wallowy, designed by committee. The Austral doesn't care about being practical, it wants to be interesting. Here's the thing that shocked me. 200 horsepower from a 1.2-liter 3-cylinder engine. That's not supposed to work. That's supposed to feel gutless. But this hybrid system is engineered like Renault actually gave a damn. The engine sound is restrained at low speed, almost timid, but tap the accelerator and something wakes up. There's an immediacy to the response that you don't get in your average family car. The throttle feels connected, the steering has weight, and then you notice the efficiency. 4.9 liters per 100 kilometers. That's getting close to diesel-level economy, except this is running on premium petrol. 111 grams of carbon dioxide per kilometer. The numbers on paper don't lie, but neither does the experience of cruising at motorway speeds watching the efficiency counter creep upward. Here's where it gets weird. The cabin feels like it costs $30,000 more. There's a panoramic sunroof as standard on the Esprit Alpine version. The Harman Kardon audio system isn't playing background music, it's recreating the soundstage. Soft-touch materials everywhere. Blue stitching on the Esprit Alpine trim that actually makes the interior feel like someone designed it instead of defaulting to gray plastic. But the part that actually matters is this. A sliding rear bench seat that moves 16 centimeters. Sounds like nothing, until you're trying to fit car seats in the back and suddenly you've got an extra foot of legroom. Reclines in 3 positions. This is the kind of thinking that makes a family car actually livable instead of just tolerable. The new generation headlights use adaptive LED matrix vision. That means the system automatically adjusts the beam pattern based on traffic. You're not hitting oncoming drivers with high beam accidentally. The car is handling that for you, intelligently. And you get 32 driver assistance systems as standard. Adaptive cruise, rear automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring. The safety tech here rivals cars costing £15,000 more. The driving modes genuinely matter too. Sport mode firms everything up, holding the hybrid system in a tighter state of tune. But even in comfort, the suspension refuses to collapse into that mushy feeling you get in competitors. It carves. It actually handles like it cares. 0 to 60 in 8.4 seconds. That's not quick by hot hatch standards, but it's quick enough to make city driving feel intentional instead of apologetic. The acceleration is linear. No weird hybrid lag, no delay. Most people overlook what this car actually does. It's a practical family SUV that doesn't sacrifice how it feels when you're actually driving it. And at £38,695 for the full-fat, iconic Esprit Alpine with everything, it shouldn't exist at this price. Next time we're looking at something even more unlikely. A vehicle everyone underestimates until they actually drive one. You'll want to see this. Drop a comment if you'd seriously buy this version of the Austral. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.